If you found this video, hopefully you've already watched our video on why inflatable boats lose pressure. If not, go check it out, it could save you some time. To really diagnose and repair an AIREcell, you'll need to remove it from the outer shell. It's easiest to loosen the valve while the boat is still inflated. In this video, we've chosen to take the thwart out completely for convenience. Unzip the outer shell and detach the AIREcell. Unscrew the valve and remove the AIREcell. Screw the valve back together and pump the AIREcell back up. Spray the entire AIREcell with soapy water and check for bubbles like these. Wipe off the suds and mark the hole. With the AIREcell deflated, cut a rounded patch from the tear aid in your repair kit. Wipe the area to be patched with denatured alcohol. Peel the tear aid patch from the paper backing. Apply the patch in a rolling motion and rub out any bubbles. Reinstall the AIREcell into the outer shell. Be sure to use the split ring to secure the zipper.